what if I tell you na there is a technical indicator na it's so easy to use, arguably one of the best technical indicator na pwedeng gamitin ng mga beginners, and it's absolutely free. Interested? Good. Quick intro muna tayo and then I'll show you what it is. Hello everyone, Mike here of Stocksilog, and ngayon pag-uusapan natin itong technical indicator na to na sinasabi ko kanina na it's so easy to use and anyone can actually use it kahit beginner ka pa. And this is what we call the Supertrend. Supertrend is actually a technical indicator that allows you to identify trends and provide you with both the buy and sell signal. Remember ha, itong Supertrend is a trend following indicator, which means it identifies kung yung trend ay uptrend or downtrend, and then it will give you a indicator or an indication kung kailan magba-buy or kailan magsisell. Hindi ko na di-discuss yung mga technicalities nito kung paano ba siya nagiging ganito yung level niya or kung kailan siya nag-iiba, no? But what I'd like to show you is kung paano siya gamitin, kasi I think naman yun yung pinunta nyo dito sa video na to. Mental note lang ha, this is not a guaranteed technical indicator. Ibig sabihin na kapag ginamit niyo ito, matik 100% gain or lose na kayo. There's no such thing as a guaranteed indicator here sa market. But at least this one is very easy to use. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Tradingview account ko kung saan ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin ang Supertrend. In case na wala ka pang Tradingview account, go to the description box and I have provided you the link kung saan makakapag-open kayo ng account. Don't worry, free lang naman yon, no? Although meron itong subscription model, pero on the free version, Supertrend is already available. Now going back here, so basically all you have to do is open up your favorite stock and then just go to indicators, and then from here type Supertrend. Select itong first one, and there you go. You now have the Supertrend indicator dito sa mismong chart mo. So how do you trade, no, itong si Supertrend? Visually, it's very easy to follow kasi kung mapapansin natin, it already gives you the buy rating and the sell rating, diba? So, for this one, ang kailangan lang nating tandaan is kung kailan nagkaroon ng buy rating, then saka ka lang gagawa ng execution mo, no? Since I am on a daily chart, then it follows na at end of day ko, i-execute yung buy or sell button. So, how does this work? Syempre, you buy on this part here. So, kung lalagyan natin siya ng markings, from here up to kung kailan nagkaroon ng sell signal, which is basically here. Now, what does this tell us is that at around 70 days, pwede akong kumita ng up to 23.6%. By the way, this is also applicable kung halimbawang you are in a day trading, kasi you can actually go into up to the 5-minute chart. Ayan. Yun nga lang, ingat ha, kasi the lower the time frame, mas volatile yung buy and sell signals. Now let's try another stock, no? I'll go with DMC. Ayan. So kay DMC naman, if in case you bought DMC exactly kung nasaan yung mga buy and sell signal, in just 62 days, you would have already gained around 26%. Same thing, kung halimbawa gusto natin si Wilcon, eto naman siya, no? Medyo mas malaki lang yung kanyang date range, pero technically, it's still possible. Ayan. So, in around 208 days, which is more than, I think, 7 months, diba? Pero still, at 7 months, 60% gain, not bad. Now, the Supertrend Indicator is actually universal in application. Ibig ko sabihin by that is you can actually use it on stocks, forex, commodity, or even crypto. So that's it. What do you guys think about this Supertrend Indicator? Tingin nyo magagamit nyo siya on your charting for your stocks or forex or even crypto? Write down below sa comment box tapos pag-usapan natin. By the way, if you like this type of video, hit nyo lang yung like button and also make sure to subscribe to our channel so that hindi ka nahuhuli kapag meron tayong mga new videos na ilalabas sa channel. If you have suggestions kung anong mga videos yung gusto nyo makita sa mga next iteration natin, comment nyo lang din below tapos susubukan natin na gawan siya ng video. Okay? So that's it guys. Once again, maraming salamat for tuning in and as always, good luck sa inyong mga trading. Bye!